Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Honda XR200, the ultimate off-road machine for beginners and experienced riders alike. Let's see what makes this bike a must-have for trail enthusiasts. Design and build. The 2026 XR200 sports a rugged and lightweight frame, built for durability and easy handling. Its high-clearance suspension and reinforced chassis make it perfect for tackling rough terrains. The classic Honda styling is modernized with updated graphics and ergonomic seating for all-day comfort. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the XR200 features a 199 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine delivering smooth, reliable power. Its 5-speed transmission ensures responsive acceleration on trails and dirt tracks. The bike balances torque and efficiency, making it ideal for both short rides and long off-road adventures. Suspension and handling. Equipped with long travel front forks and a rear monoshock, the XR200 absorbs bumps effortlessly. Its lightweight frame enhances maneuverability, allowing riders to navigate tight turns and rough trails with confidence. Safety and features. Honda continues to prioritize rider safety with disc brakes on the front wheel and high-traction tires for optimal grip. The XR200 also includes modern lighting, making early morning or evening rides safer and more enjoyable. Ride experience. Riders will enjoy a bike that feels nimble yet stable, perfect for exploring trails, hills, and uneven terrain. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or a seasoned rider seeking fun, the XR200 delivers an unmatched off-road experience. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda XR200 proves that a compact, lightweight bike can still offer powerful performance and reliable handling. If you love off-road adventures, this is a bike you need to check out.